So what I always do is I always take my Ethernet cable and then I put it back here. Hey guys, my name is Steve and today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to get free internet connection. Free internet connection. First, I'm gonna start by giving a little disclaimer that this method might not work for everybody, but it always worked for me, so I decided to share it. Anyways, let's get started. So as you can see in my computer, I have no internet. When you click on there, it says not connected. Not even connections are available. But we're going to fix that. You're only gonna need an Ethernet cable and a fan. Yeah, this Ethernet cable is brand new. I've never used it before. So you still have the little locks thingies, whatever you call them. Who is playing if you're happy and clap your hands? Crazy. Anyways, let's go to the fan. So okay, as you can see, I have my fan over here. So for some reason, fan always creates electricity when it blows and stuff like that. So what I always do is I always take my Ethernet cable and then I put it back here. Hold on, like this. Like that, you see? Hook it up on there. I don't know if you can see. Let me turn the fan around. Just like that. Just hook it on there, okay? And then the other part of the Ethernet cable, I don't know if you want to call it female or male, whatever. Plug it in on your computer, okay? On the Ethernet port part of your computer, okay? After that, go ahead and turn on your fan. Also, make sure you power your fan on the highest setting, okay? So as you can see, I'm connected to internet and stuff like that, okay? As you can see over there. Again, this method might not work for everybody, but it always works for me. If you live in an area where there's a lot of internet connection and stuff like that, like open internet connections and stuff like that, you're gonna be able to access it using this method. Again, this method might not work for everybody, but it always works for me, I guess by the area that I live in or something like that. So I thought it would be a good idea to share this information with you. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.